Hello and good morning, everyone. We are here at 18th edition of RAI Expo 2025, and we are having Mr. Bharat Singh with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about what are your company's key focuses areas at RAI 2025.
So RAI 2025, like we are showcasing our new version of on-grid inverters, which will be used in PM Suryaghar projects. And apart from that, like we have our off-grid inverters, which is a cost-effective when it comes to the hybrid inverter installation. It has the same features, but like it is a cost-effective product. Apart from that, like we have C&I ESS solution for the commercial and industrial application where they can eliminate the diesel generator and use our inverter and battery as a green generator.
And what new technologies and solutions are you showcasing this year?
So when it comes to the technology, as I told, like off-grid inverter, so that is like a new technology wherein India had like off-grid inverters, but like it did not have a features of like all the hybrid. So apart from like the grid export, like it has like all the features of hybrid inverter, which is called as like off-grid inverter. And apart from that, like we will be getting very soon our utility energy storage solutions, which will be used in solar parks and industrial segments.
And if we talk about innovations, what innovations are you introducing in battery or energy storage technology?
So when it comes to the battery innovations, like we are getting battery integrated EV chargers, because if you see EV vehicles are running in the country, but like which are not charged by the EV chargers or the battery, it is charged by the grid. So which doesn't contribute to the net zero target. So we are getting a battery integrated hybrid inverter integrated EV chargers, which can charge a vehicle through solar.
And how is your organization aligning its business strategy with India's 2017 net zero target?
So yes, like as you know, Day is into the energy storage segment. Like we are contributing all our innovative products to it, and very soon, like we will, as I told, like we will be coming into the utility solar, which is like 60% of the market in the India. So contributing the utilities energy storage, like we will be contributing to that particular target.
As we all know that REI is the biggest expo for renewable industry. So what will be your biggest takeaway from this mega event?
So REI 2025 has every year like it welcomes and attracts many consumers, many installers who can take a glance of our products which are showcasing, which gives as a manufacturer a very good mileage to sell our products. So thanks to REI 2025 Informa Markets and also to the Industrial Outlook for making this opportunity for us on our video.
Wrapping up this conversation, will be your roadmap for coming years?
For the coming years, like we will be coming up more innovative products into the energy storage, and we are also looking and close talks with the government for setting up the plant in India.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us today.